Hello, everyone. My name is Ivy Jacobson, and this is my project on how shifts in pollinator communities can shape the evolution of floral traits. Plants and their pollinators have evolved together for millions of years, but today pollinator communities are changing rapidly due to climate shifts and habitat loss. These changes could be influencing plant evolution in real time. So, my research aims to understand exactly how shifts in pollinators affect floral traits and ultimately how they can affect angiosperm lineages and diversity going forward. This question matters because pollinators strongly influence how flowers look and function. With pollinator populations changing globally, it's important to understand how flowers respond. This knowledge helps us predict which plants will adapt, which may decline, and how ecosystems might have to reorganize when we are then faced with food shortages and comparing crop production with different pollinator health factors. So we know pollinators shape traits, but how do trait trajectories change when pollinators shift from bees to hummingbirds to moths? Do these different lineages respond in similar or unique ways? Do pollinator transitions consistently lead to floral diversification? So in every case, if there's a change, will there be a different phylogenetic branch created? We can study this as plants can be placed in replicate arrays with four pollinator treatments, one being bee only, hummingbird or moth only, mixed pollinator, and fourth pollinator excluded hand pollination control. This setup isolates the effect of each pollinator type on the floral traits. Next, we can artificially manipulate traits like spur length, flower color, nectar volume. By going beyond natural variation, we can detect both directional and stabilizing selection driven by specific pollinators. Plants will be ultimately genotyped at key trait loci to track reproductive success. We measure male fitness through pollen export, female fitness through seed set, and track which alleles specifically increase in different pollinator environments. This will allow us to link traits directly to evolutionary outcomes. We can also compare selection gradients and trait divergence across populations. This lets us see if pollinator shifts consistently shape floral evolution or if responses differ depending on the lineage and the local pollinator community. This research will show whether shifts from bee, hummingbird, and moth pollination predictably drive floral diversification. It will reveal evolutionary pathways for traits and help forecast how plants might respond to the rapidly changing pollinator landscape we see today. Thank you very much.